What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture. And today I am bringing to you a Nadula review. This is Nadula Amazon, so this hair is on Amazon Prime. This is what comes inside the box. I got some eyelashes as well as this elastic band. I love when companies send me an elastic band because literally, like, you can always use it. I also got this bonnet and this cute little makeup brush. This is what the wig looks like once you get it. This is such a pretty color. I absolutely love this wig. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is a 13 by 4, 24 inch, 180% density. Of course, I'm going to leave all the information for this wig in the description box. This is the body wave texture. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You have some combs in there as well as an adjustable band. The frontal, I would say, is a 13 by 4 in the middle, but it goes back only by 2 on the sides, so it's not too deep for the sides. So right now what I'm doing is just putting some makeup all over my ball cap. I didn't film the ball cap process because it's just like I have so many, literally all my videos show me doing the ball cap, so you guys don't really need that. So I'm just putting some makeup on. For glue today, I'm using the I think this is Boho actually. Yeah, this is the Boho Extreme. So yeah, I'm just smoothing that all over my hairline. And then once that first layer dries, I'm going to do one more layer, and then I'm going to be applying the wig. So the lace on this is already cut. I did cut this prior to this install. So right now I'm just moving it forward and placing it directly in that glue. So I'm just going to put that directly in the glue, and I'm going to smooth that. I'm going to use my blow dryer as well. This lace was very, very, very easy to work with. Like, I had no issues as far as you know, like laying the lace and having it melt, blend, none of that. Like, I had no issues at all with this lace. So now I'm just taking my even spray and I'm just pushing that all over the hairline, and then I'm going to put my elastic band back on, blow dry on top of it, and that is going to really get this melt going. So yeah, as you guys can see, this hair is giving scalp. The lace gave me no issues. Um, yeah, so I think for this, I'm going to be doing a side part. I'm doing something really nice and easy. I'm going to keep it straight, and I'm just going to do a cute little side part. All right, you guys, so this is the final result. This is what it's looking like. I absolutely love this color. I got so many compliments on this wig. I'm going to insert some pictures at the end of when I actually curled this wig. A couple days later, I will put the pictures for that in at the end. So yeah, guys, definitely make sure you guys check out Nadula on Amazon. They are on Prime, so it's nice and easy. You don't have to wait, you know, those long processing times and shipping times, etc., etc. This hair is nice and silky. I could literally run my hands right through it. I had no tangling issues. It is nice and full. It is a true length. This is the 24-inch. As you guys can see, is touching the top of my booty cheeks. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out. I will leave all the information in the description box. Comment this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture. And that's about it, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.